Primary. Welcome to our assembly for Friday, September 4th. I know many of you are disappointed that we aren't going to return to school next week, but I want you to keep positive. We'll be back in school real soon, and know that when we do return, that we want to make sure that you're safe and healthy. This week's assembly, we have birthdays. Would you believe? Once again, we only have one birthday. We are welcoming a new student, and then I have a song for you at the end. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you at the end. We have one new student to welcome to WIS this week. George is joining 4D today. He's currently living in Tanzania and will be coming to Namibia soon. We wish him all the best. We hope, George, you make lots of new friends and enjoy your time at Windhoek International School. Let's give George a nice warm welcome. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. The song I've chosen for this week is called I Think You're Wonderful by Red Grammar. And I want you to listen to the words and think why I might have chosen this song. I think you're wonderful when somebody says that to me. I feel wonderful, as wonderful can be. It makes me want to say the same thing to somebody new. And by the way, I've been meaning to say, I think you're wonderful too. When we practice this phrase in the most honest way, and find something special in someone each day, we lift up the world one heart at a time. It all starts by saying this one simple line. I think you're wonderful when somebody says that to me. I feel wonderful, as wonderful can be. It makes me want to say the same thing to somebody new. And by the way, I've been meaning to say, I think you're wonderful too. When each one of us feels important inside, loving and giving and glad we're alive. Oh, what a difference we make in each day, and all because someone decided to say, I think you're wonderful when somebody says that to me. I feel wonderful, as wonderful can be. It makes me want to say the same thing to somebody new. And by the way, I've been meaning to say, I think you're wonderful too. And by the way, I've been meaning to say, I think you're wonderful too. I hope you enjoyed that song. And if you guessed the reason that I chose it is because I think you're wonderful, you're absolutely right. This week, I'd like you to think about the people in your life who are wonderful and that maybe you could tell them so. it certainly made me feel good just to sing it and to think about the people that I think are wonderful. So that's the end of our assembly for this week. Keep a positive attitude. We will be back in school soon, and have a great week.